Hello again at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have iPad 10th generation. The glass and the LCD is broken, the display. So as you can see here, see this white spot here. So we need to change both of them. So after we preheated, so now it's time to remove the glass first of all. So carefully remove this mic from the glass. Now there are 4 screws here. And there are some screws here as well, about 6 screws on the other side. This LCD has been replaced before. As you can see here, it's been replaced before. He broke it. So now we will clean the frame from the previous tape and glues. If you have iPad or iPhone, any tablet, any cell phone, you need screen, battery, charging port, motherboard repair, you can visit us at 360 Newkirk Road, or you can call us to book an appointment at 416-587-7105. The screen came with already with tape, and this is the new LCD. can visit our website as well to check our services at maplelaptopservices.com. So we can test it now before we complete it. So LCD working, as you can see here. If you need any help, please call us at 416-587-7105. Thank you for watching. So here I decided to show you like the LCD and touch. I don't know what this language.